Yo, content right there, bro. Uh-oh.
I hear turbos, bro.
I hear turbo, bro. We're cooked.
Holy shit. Oh shit! Bro, he's on your ass, dog.
Dude, the turbo.
Oh, he's gonna come on your right.
Yeah.
Oh, dang! Yo, that thing is nuts. Hey, there's a light. Hey, should we wait for that guy or what?
He's on fly, bro. Where's he at?
I think the light turned green, so he's gonna smash it probably. Yeah, he's coming, but I don't know if he's gonna. Oh, he's coming, bro! This guy's no joke. Oh, yo, you hear that? I have my windows up, dude. Dang.
He's nasty.
He sounds tough, bro.
The turbo, dude.
Yeah. That's the camera I have. Yeah.
Ferrari, that was nice.
Yeah.
There's I think it's SF90.
Damn.
Oh, I was gonna say SF40 maybe. I don't know what it was though. Got a car now. Fuck. That sounded nasty.
Yeah. Just parked right now. Ended up switching out our batteries. Good thing I just ordered them and they came in time. So this is an Insta360 battery. Just came in like this. I just popped a fresh new one. Jay also popped a new one on too, and we're good to go 100%. Probably, like I said, there is like a garage, like a nice little area we could park our cars, you know, take some photos and stuff. Okay, cool. So I got my thing set up. I just gotta put start and we're good to go. I always double check this, man, because you never know, you know. Make sure everything's tight. This is still a really good mount anyway, so I just put it on Sport Plus and I switched the exhaust to track mode. Dang, man. Fuck. I might end up getting the S650, but maybe when there's some deals. But the more I drive with them, look at that. Yeah. Dang. Little tunnel. Holy shit, this is a nice spot. Like, how'd you find this? You just cruising and you just found it, or what?
No, so we used to have a cruise chat with everyone, like bunch of fucking people. We had 50 people in it. We would come to like spots here.
Yeah.
It was like one of the spots we would come to.
Shit. This is a nice set.